Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Matt Karit, and welcome also to my viewers in TikTok. So our topic for this video presentation is how to calculate the mean. To give you a short background of our topic, mean, let me give you the definition of the term mean. So mean is the sum of all observations divided by the total number of observations. So we have also two formulas in calculating the mean. So if we are calculating for the population mean, our formula is mu or mean, population mean is equals to the summation of x over n. If we are calculating the sample mean, so our formula is that is read as x bar is equals to the summations of x over n. To give you the guide in calculating the mean, we have step. So step 1, count the number of data values. Step 2, add all the data values. And step 3, divide the sum of all data values by the number of data set. Okay, so let's go to now the exercises. So how to calculate this data set of number? Okay, so let us assume that this is the value or the values of x. So let us write the values of x, which is start from 45, then 39, 53, then 45, then 43, then 48, 50, and 45. Okay, so let us add all of these values. Let us add 45 plus 39 plus 53 plus 45 plus 43 plus 48 plus 50 and plus 45. So the total is 368. Okay, so in the formula in calculating the mean is mu is equals to the summation of x over n. Okay, so our n is equals to the number of observation. Okay, so we have, let us count 45. Start from 45. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 for the value of n. Okay, so the summation of x is 368. Then divide it by the number of observation, our n, which is 8. Okay, so you can get your calculator. 368 divided by 8 is 46. Okay, so that is how to calculate the mean. Okay, so what about this data set? How to calculate the mean? Okay, so let us assume that these are the values of x. Okay, so 13, 18, 13, 14, 13, 16, 14, 21, and 13. So if we are going to add all of these values, the total is 135. Okay, so our formula calculating the means, that is mu, is equals to the summation of x over n. Okay, so let us write the summations of x, which is 135, and let us divide it by the total number of observations. So our n is equals to, let us count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have 9 observations. So let us divide it by 9. Okay, so 35 divided by 9 is equals to 15. Okay, so that is how to calculate the mean. Okay, so I hope that you learned from this video presentation. Thank you for watching.